Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, my friends, and in this video I'm going to show you what you can do if you have one banana. We're making banana fritters. Here we go. So my friends, if you have one banana just like this, don't worry, grab yourself a bowl. Don't throw this out. This is good stuff, okay? This is good stuff. I know you look at this and thinking, oh, gross, disgusting. No, you save that banana. That's what you need. You need the banana like that for that wonderful sweetness. So with that there, my friends, you need to get yourself some flour. You judge it. Get yourself some sugar. And I'm not measuring anything, guys. You judge it. You might want more sugar. You might want more flour. It's up to you. Mash all of that up. Now, everything that you put in a banana bread, you'll put in here. So let's get some cinnamon. A little bit, a little bit. I'm going to add some nutmeg. See, one banana. This is such a great recipe for a student living in dorm. You can make this recipe. It's fast and easy. Don't throw out your bananas. You save them for this. I have a little bit of vanilla. And I'm going to put some baking soda just to help it to rise a little bit, right? You want to crush the banana up in here, my friends. Crush it up. Get yourself some water, my friends. Pour it in here. Pure water, that's all. Mix that bad boy up. See that? All the chunks of that nice soft banana. That's all you need. You want to get some salt in there though. Make sure you get some salt in there for taste. You don't have to add sugar in this, my friends. See, the consistency, it's almost like pancake batter. That's what you need. The pancake batter kind of look, right? So then I add an egg in it, my friends, to make it a little bit smoother. The egg is totally optional, and it's just one egg. That's all you need in here, my friends. And this batter is ready to rock and roll. Got my pot on the stove. Got some oil. This is grapeseed oil that I'm using. You need the oil that you want, and this is about maybe about 2 tablespoons of oil. I like to grab a soup ladle because I think it makes the perfect amount of my banana fritters. This is one banana, my friend. One banana. That's all you need. One banana, one egg. That's it. You don't have to put the eggs in it, as I told you before. Okay, so we're going to let that cook down for a little bit. It's on medium low. This is a great recipe. You know, good for anyone that's going back to school. Good for a parent that has children at home and they said they don't have anything to eat. You make yourself some banana fritters. I'm gonna fry it like pancakes, but a little bit longer, right? Simple recipe. I like putting the egg in it because the egg makes the batter a little bit fluffier, and this is why I do it, right? The egg make the batter a little bit lighter and fluffier. And this is why I like to put the egg in it. But that's totally optional, my friends. Totally optional. You might be looking at it thinking it's burnt. My friend, it's not burnt. It's a nice golden brown. This is what you want. And you want the inside to really cook. Perfect. You don't have to put it on a paper towel, my friend. I am doing that to drain just the excess oil, but you don't have to do this because I try and use healthy oil when I'm frying. So here they are, my friends, my banana fritters made with just one banana, right? Banana, flour, salt, and all that wonderful sugar, and all that wonderful stuff that you will put in a banana bread, you put in this batter and make it a banana fritters. Now, people will look at it and say, oh, that's pancake, but this is fritters to us. Wonderful, wonderful, tastes good. You can let it cool for a while. Oh, yeah, it's hot. Oh, yeah, nice and cooked, my friends. You're gonna love this one. Thank you for watching, my friends. Let's go ahead and say it. This is my time, and I deserve something better. Thank you for watching.